Hello, Herschel Mehta here of Mehta Ventures, a boutique family office that specializes in early stage startups. Welcome to part 3 of our 3-part series on quantum computing. In this video, we will be discussing the current state of the industry and predictions that we have on where the industry is heading. Let's begin. Now that we know how quantum computing works, let's talk about how most experts expect quantum computing to grow. At the current maximum qubit capacity, quantum computers are just at par with supercomputers. We believe as the number of qubits in quantum computers increase, we will first start seeing optimization and data access problems being solved. Let's take DNA for example. With enough qubits, we could use quantum computers to assemble and sort through all the possible gene variants parallelly and find all the pairs of nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, and sequence the genome in a very short period of time. This would revolutionize the health industry, as sequencing the DNAs of the whole world, including all living beings, would allow us to understand our own genetic makeup at a much deeper level. The results of that kind of access of knowledge are unfathomable. Next, through the significant improvements in our quantum capacity, we could use quantum computers to simulate complex systems and behaviors in near real time and with high fidelity. We could simulate the Earth's winds and waves with such accuracy so as to predict storms days before they come. Imagine simulating how the winds on a particular day would interact with a flight on that particular day and route. It would allow us to measure turbulence, optimize flat paths, and many more as well. After years of innovation, everything will converge into the moment when we shall be capable of universal quantum computing. With significant qubits in one quantum computer, which one estimates to be around 100,000, we shall be able to solve all the problems that currently stump classical computers. The question becomes, how far along are we? Where does quantum computing stand today? Google in 2008 achieved a 72-qubit computer. Rigetti, a quantum computing startup that has gone through the Y Combinator, has promised to bring out a 128-qubit computer in 2019. Hence, we are still in the early stages of this journey. How do I see this journey happening? I feel the way the industry will go is so. First, we will reach an inflection point of qubit capability. Next, we will see industries growing around creating these computers in a way that is affordable only to the largest of enterprises. As this happens, a side industry of tools that provide easier interfaces to the computers through traditional computers will grow. As easier tools come and simpler machines become cheaper, democratization will begin. An industry around quantum computing software and algorithms will arrive. As hardware grows more powerful, we will start seeing traditional computation shifting from traditional computers to quantum computers. However, for a long while, they will both exist in tandem. The complete transition from traditional computers to quantum computers will occur when universal quantum computers can be fit into the same factors that traditional computers can today. What happens beyond that point is too uncertain to even predict. Regardless of the path we take, quantum computing is here to stay. It's a key piece in the puzzle that is human growth. As there are early adopters for all technologies, we at Mehta Ventures are early believers in this technology. If you are working on such groundbreaking, truly moonshot technologies, we believe in you. Get in touch with us, and we shall help you achieve the moonshot you've aimed for. Thank you.